And if you're really worried, if you're really apprehensive, if you need any guidance anytime, feel free to WhatsApp me 24/7. Love you. Hi, Happy New Year 2023. So, with renewed hopes and enthusiasm, you must be looking forward to 2023. Always keep in mind that no matter what's happening out there, what's happening in here really matters for you. And that will be the decider for your present as well as your future. So always focus on giving your best regardless of the circumstances you are in. And those who are planning for 2023, you have 2 months time. These 2 months are very, very crucial, not because the exam is approaching, but because the fact here is, as the exam is approaching, how you perceive it really makes a difference. Most of you will be apprehensive, will be tensed up, will be anxious because you feel like you have a lot to revise. But please do not underestimate your potential. All that you have been studying for the past few years, few months, or few weeks, nothing will be wasted. You'll remember each and everything. The thing here is you need to be confident and you need to believe in yourself. And if you remember, I keep telling you, like, it's all about hard work, consistency, and self-belief. Now is the time for you to exude that self-belief. And also, regarding preparation tips and further guidance, you can always feel free to contact me at WhatsApp at 9052674820 24/7. And previously, we launched a free study club group in Telegram for all the aspirants. So we'll be restarting our discussions in a cumulative fashion, keeping NEET MDS 2023 in mind. So you can WhatsApp me. I'll send you the link and you can freely participate in all the discussions and get various key important points relevant to the upcoming entrance exam, right? And coming to NEET MDS 2024, those who are planning for 1 year preparation, we have started a new batch with a new course, and the schedule will be starting from January, that is this month itself, and you can drop a mail or WhatsApp us for the schedule. And before I conclude, see, no matter what's happening out there, as I said, what really matters in you, or the kind of reactions that you exude at these crucial times, really makes a hell lot of difference in your professional journey. Always believe in yourself. And when it comes to exam forms, or when it comes to exam date, when it comes to exam related updates, it's not your headache. Leave it to us. We'll keep a tab on all the official websites and we'll get back to you through our YouTube channel or through our updates group, and we'll keep you posted, right? So leave out that trash to us and you focus on your preparation. And I know situations have been very challenging for the past 2 to 3 years because of COVID, because of various other factors like postponement of exam and delay in counseling. We're all stressed up, especially students. You're all really, really stressed up. But let's bury the past and focus on what best we can do right now. So for you, focus on your preparation because that is something which is in your hands 100%, right? So before I conclude again, it's all about hard work, consistency, and most importantly, believing in yourself. Wish you all the best. Love you all.